In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Word document with passwords and editing restrictions. Start by opening the document you want to secure in Microsoft Word. With the file ready, head to the File tab in the upper left and open the Info page. This is the hub for document properties and safety tools. Look for Protect Document. It's a drop-down that gathers several protection options in one place. When you click Protect Document, you'll see a few choices, each designed for a different level of control. Mark as Final is the lightest touch. It makes your document read-only and signals that it's complete. It's great for sharing final drafts, but it's not real security. Someone can remove this status and edit if they choose. Encrypt with Password is the strongest option. This locks the document so it cannot be opened without a password. Choose this when you need confidentiality. You'll be prompted to enter a password, then confirm it. Pick something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Keep in mind that if you forget the password, it can't be recovered, so store it securely. Restrict editing lets you limit how others can modify the document. You can allow only certain types of changes, like comments or tracked changes, or lockdown formatting. This is ideal for forms, templates, or collaborative documents where you want to control exactly what can be altered while still allowing specific input. Restrict access controls who can open, view, or edit the document and may require an active Microsoft 365 service tied to your organization. It's useful in managed environments where permissions are assigned to specific people or groups. Choose the option that best fits your needs. For example, if you select Encrypt with Password, enter your chosen password when prompted and click OK to confirm. If you're using Restrict Editing, decide the kinds of edits you want to allow before applying the restriction. If your environment supports Restrict Access, select the appropriate permissions for your audience. Once you've applied your protection choice, save the document to lock in the changes. Saving is essential. Without it, the protection won't be applied the next time you open the file. To recap, open your document, go to File, Info, click Protect Document, pick the protection that matches your goal, follow the on-screen prompts, and save. Use Mark as Final for a gentle read-only nudge. Encrypt with Password for true confidentiality. Restrict editing to control the types of changes, and restrict access when managing permissions across people or groups.